Alright guys, welcome back to Razablade TV, where entertainment is in 3D. Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where you always with me and we always smiling. Alright guys, pretty much I'm here waiting on somebody really quick. Y'all know who I'm waiting on, you see me? I'm gonna show you my new experience today, you see me, because the boss is up here and I'm like, yo, I'm gonna go beekeeping today, why not forward, you see me? So they always tell me, say I'm interested in the videos and I'm like, see when I do the beekeeping thing. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today, going by the apiary really quick to do a quick look, and the boss will go come and film too and get a vlog out of it, I don't know. Yeah, boss, excited about the beekeeping.
The beekeeping vlog of the year. Feature Razablade. Oh God, I'm here, people.
Guys, just like go get the equipment over there so real quick and go check on them. First of all, I'm really hope some go down and see the bees them. That's the first thing. Because if I don't see them, I gotta mash up the vlog. Yeah. You see me? Yo, the spider web, yo. You see me? Feel like a thread. So we're there, right now we're on the journey with Razablade TV, entertainment in 3D.
Wow, you got the punch side. You got the punch side. We're on this journey with Soai Vlogs. Alright now, I'm going for the bees, bro. Going for the bees. Bees means money, and money sometimes means honey. Already next year around.
Alright. I knew something did wrong, you know, because guess what? I forgot that I put that extra box there, so we already have an empty box ready. So now I'm see. Alright, you see, can pre bees them are going now. We can say them are coming with pollen. So they can white some on their foot sometime and thing. So guys, right now many people know where we go to personally, because I haven't been over here for like 2 or 3 weeks or so. So I pretty much goes with a quick hive inspection. If they need extra space, so I just give them some extra space. And then don't know, this time I have to get the experience on what it is, because you have to share knowledge, you know. You don't know, Soai Vlogs.
This is the tour guide for the day.
Yeah.
Listen to the tour guide.
How about it?
I'm ready to go to space, people. Oh wait, but that Alexa. When I record this here, you. Hey, those words of me. Yo, look at me, look at myself, look at myself. I'm boasting. Look at my big suit, people. Alright. Where the finger there?
Yeah, I still look for your next vlog, for your next kit. Nobody has nothing to be that. I'll tell you.
For the next kit. The suit failed me, people. Oh wait, let me just wrap it over, sir.
Yeah, we should go overlap there.
Oh good. You have little sense, man. People may have little sense. Wait, shit, man, not Alright. Yes.
So I know some of you guys that have been really appreciative to actually probably do beekeeping with me, but Razablade is here. How do you feel at the moment about doing beekeeping here? You're here live and direct.
I feel like $1 million doing beekeeping right now. $1 million.
Alright, so
expensive.
I'll show you like the first thing, definitely. The hive. Never come to the front, like here.
Oh, never come to the front?
Yeah. Why? Because that's where they're coming in.
Okay, so I should go to the side?
To the side or to the back, because that's your entrance, so you don't really want to interfere with the flight path. Because you have bees just running into you, understand?
Oh, so yeah, like in this region?
Yeah, can, yeah. That's why I have no entrance here, no entrance here. So that means they can work from behind or work to the side. The next thing to find out about a healthy hive, once you look at the front, you can see bees coming in like every 5 seconds or so. Coming in, coming out. You know that everything is jiggy. Alright? I'm at it. I don't really want to really record much because I'm really showing for Razor's vlog, but I'll try to get as much as I can for you guys, alright? So guys, the last time I was here, I actually gave them some sugar to keep them too because we had a lot of rains. I had nowhere to get any food really. And again, about, I don't know, maybe 2.5 pounds of sugar, and this is what is left. So I'm happy about that. They're eating and they're growing. If you look between the frames, I can see bees in there, so I know that they're growing pretty well. But let's get the end verdict by actually looking in there. With a little smoke. Alright. Try to set you guys up over here. Razor can you know what you call it?
Whoa. Are you guys seeing that? No, I'm nervous as well.
Just nervous.
Yeah, I'm nervous, bro. No lie about that. You know I'm an honest dude. Oh my god.
In here, let's see where they're laying. See what eggs are laid. It's a little bit light, so I know that not a lot of larvae in there.
The bee pitched on the GoPro. The bee pitched on the GoPro, people. Oh, that's just marvelous.
So you can hear that when I run my head, he's getting jiggy.
Yep.
Which is fine. One thing in the bee suit, you have to just keep calm. With beekeeping, it's about slow movement and keeping calm and respecting them.
True.
And once you believe in your suit, then you can go with a whole heap of badness.
True.
The rest of them know I'm going to get a bit defensive.
Yeah. I'm sure I feel one pitch for my pants to go out.
Trust me, I'm worry more about your torso.
Oh. Bros, just don't pitch on the legs, bros.
If you realize how I set my body too, I'm gonna try to make my, even though I'm in a jeans, I'm gonna make my skin.
Yeah, I touch against the clothes somewhere, but yeah, that me notice you know. I'm kinda do the same thing.
Through the jeans and we kiss them. I don't know if you guys remember on my vlog in the last vlog where this, I showed you that it was being drawn out. It was nowhere close to this. Anybody who was watching the that vlog, you see me? It was maybe about 25% of this, and you realize how much you drew it already. And this is from a baby hive, because this is a baby hive. This hive don't really reach nowhere. But it will make it progress, and you know, they must survive. If I look, I'm not going to be able to show you guys, but inside I can see eggs.
Okay. People no can know so I'm nervous because from reaching so I'm not going to else. I come like a little son got bush with him that he just stay one place. Look at that, people. And yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 hives.
3.
Or boxes.
3 hives. That one, the big one behind it?
Yeah.
Empty.
Oh, the big one behind it? Oh, okay.
So quite frankly right now I could probably leave this hive because let's see what I need to see. I see eggs in this, I know the queen is alive. I see that they had growth, them expand, them actually build comb, and I know that they have enough space to grow. Because with these it's like up in a house, you know. Of course if you have only 2 bedrooms, you understand? It means you can only have bedroom for you and your wife.
True.
And maybe you can have 2 kids in a 1 bedroom, you understand? But once you have 2 more kids, you have to go expand. Same thing with this. They're actually building out their children inside of the hive. And if you realize they need space to expand, then you have to give it to them. Because if you don't, they might go run away.
True.
It's like when picnic running and find man, you understand?
Yeah.
Google the data, left the yard. Why? I'm not saying you take care.
Take care, yeah, man, take care.
You know, pay attention to certain things and of course I have to pick the body. You understand? So just looking at this hive, I'm pleased, you know. They're doing what they're doing. You might realize if you come closer, don't be afraid, Razor. Up here, so you realize they kind of chew at the top of it because they will use the comb. They use the comb that's on that and use it somewhere else. You understand? So they're very smart, you know. They survive so many years on their own.
Good bees, good bees. Yeah, people, we're out here, man. We're out here.
So I can even see what they have. There's a little bit of nectar growth inside. Probably can't go see, but if you look close, you see the glistening and the lower part. Is them push them head in and drinking?
Yeah.
Is that them drinking or they're filling it with nectar?
Oh.
You can't see the glistening for yourself, Reza? You personally?
Yeah, me I see it.
Yeah. That's the nectar them I put. So once they dehydrate it now until they get thick like honey, and cap it over.
The camera not see, but me see.
Yeah. Are you really want to see it?
Yeah, man.
But as I say, I can't call it a hive and I can't see enough already.
Go.
You know, so they don't need no more space. You understand? You know, so they might drink, they might eat little sugar. But they need to build up their strength a little bit more. So I am happy. I am extremely happy with this hive. Because on my vlog, for those who watch, whenever, I don't come beekeeping all the time, and I probably only have like 3 beekeeping vlogs on it. But you might realize that when I came, I was worried about this hive. I was talking about the beetles and all that, and you know, oh my gosh, I did this hive have a problem. But it has gotten stronger. So everything GG. So boy, Razor for go into the hive now, him didn't even know. Turn on the camera real quick. You had to tell him about shaking like bad. Like he was, oh, what is?
Oh, what is?
The record?
Alright.
Oh, me turn it on.
So click on the side button then.
Shit, my hand on.
Yeah. Oh my
Yeah.
god. I don't even know which angle to.
I'm serious how come I say and just talk and reminisce about life and all of that.
Can't see this?
We
I
here.
am scared of. You take out the back one.
Alright, you can take up this one now. This one. So yeah, though, remember I tell you say it have glue on it, you know, it's like bee glue.
Okay, so I try to do a pop like.
Yeah. So what you gonna try for do? Use the other side, next side.
Next side of it, yeah?
The tool. No, next side. Spin it around.
Oh, this?
Yeah.
Oh, this
And
slimmer?
kind of put it in between there so and spin it and move it like. Sorry vlogger. Yeah, hold it right there so.
I hold it! Oh shit, you hold it?
And go to the next side.
Let me hold it.
Hold it yo.
Oh my god.
Yeah. And then hold. Don't make it jerk, you know. Hold it to the hand, though. Yeah. Hold it to the finger. Yeah. Alright. Take your time, yeah. Take your time with them.
Oh my god. What the hell am I just
Hold it up, lift it up by to your face so we can get to sit there. You're there. Razor.
No, I can't believe this.
You see me, so?
I don't feel.
Your camera. You need some water and some sugar. We have sugar there.
Jerry, look at that.
If you can't see, you can walk to the sunlight, but watch your box. Walk to the sunlight so you can see better.
Oh my god. I have the bees in my freaking hand. Oh!
You see inside better?
You know me, I see inside, brother. Oh!
Mad thing.
This was marvelous.
So okay, people find experiences and all that's a part of life. You have to share knowledge.
I got the bee.
I say you don't want to hold it above outside of the hive because there's a queen. Right here, see that big bottom?
Oh, that one with the big booty.
Yes sir, she's completely different.
Yeah. That's a queen.
Queen bee by herself. Go walk
That's
around.
the queen.
That's the queen right there.
Queen bee Elizabeth.
The queen is the only one. The queen is the only one that can actually sting several times without even dying. You understand?
So when do you upgrade to being a queen?
You don't want to be upgraded to become a queen because the queen is actually the slave of the hive.
Oh, do all the work.
She do all the work. If she doesn't perform, they kill her and they re-queen. You understand? Yeah. So that's it. That's women in society, you know. Women are like women rise up, you know.
Yeah.
Fight against one another.
Woman will kill you for the vlog.
Sorry, I really feel. Them know.
Them know.
Anytime a woman start be successful to her after that start do right thing, everybody
yeah.
Other woman them jump out.
Why? I made to them, you know. Alright, let me take the trouble. Half 3 goals. Still record? Half 3 goals.
Look how everybody surrounds her to protect her. See that? See circle around her? Normally you could find her putting her abdomen inside of the hole because she's actually laying. Right now I'm not so sure because I don't think they have enough food to do whatever.
That's a long time, bro.
You see the white, yellow something? Pollen. Just pollen that. But this hive, I'm a stronger hive because it came here at the same time as the other 3, but it came here with a queen. So it had a jump start on everybody else. You understand? And the big bees that you see, so on this side, the big bees that you see.
The queen?
No man, these that you see right here, those are the workless men. They remind me of some of these men that are out here in this world today. Workless. No, seriously. Their main purpose is just to eat the honey. Let me show you everything but them negative. Most things.
Just eat the honey alone.
Positive is to have sex with the queen. One time and they die afterwards. You know? That is the only.
So you knock your queen and dead?
Razablade queen.
Oh shit. You knock your queen and dead?
I'm a matter of fact, the queen takes several knockings.
Oh, but now not the queen is still love me, Bill.
Because she have to get enough semen for a lifetime, you understand? Because she can serve probably like 3 years or so. Very well. So she probably have sex with several drones. But after the drones have sex, they die, which is the males.
Wow.
Right? And then what happened now? All they do is eat. Nothing else, stay down in the hive and eat.
Fatal
and they
bird.
actually facilitate one of the pests them in the hive. So we don't really want them workless man around here. You understand?
Wow.
So right now it's only the females. Pretty much a hive is strictly probably like 80% females, 20% drones. And most times we get rid of the 15% drones or so. And most times we get rid of. For the beekeepers out there who know the information, if I'm rusty, forgive me. I haven't been reading in a long time. I'm just starting up.
Yeah. Yo, I wouldn't want to knock the queen. Tell her that. I wouldn't want to equip her. I would be dead, bro. Me have to break this bread.
Alright guys, so pretty much we just looked in the hive really quick. Based on that, so I'm kind of happy because I said that they were eating, so I'm kind of happy with that. Everything seems good. The hive that was weak the last time I had the pests, that has been improving, so I'm happy with that really. I thought that I would need to expand the other hive, but I really don't. But anyway, this is how I'm going to pretty much end this vlog at the moment. You see me, sometimes I wasn't vlogging accurately because it was mostly to actually, you know, show Razor the experience. So if you want to actually see more of the vlog or see what else we spoke about whenever I turned off my camera, you can always jump up to Film Camera. What's your channel name again?
Razablade TV Vlogs. Hey people.
You see me? But check out the main channel. The main channel is the one that's really popping now.
I'm the funniest dude in Jamaica. I can tell you that. I can assure you.
You see me? So it's a Razablade TV. And then Razablade TV Vlogs. You see me? Show some support. You don't know. Or they put a move on and what a reason or something. Before I leave, remember these 3 things, guys: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember for the what?
Live all of God.
Keep the link, guys.
Keep the link, guys.
I remember. Jesus, I'm sorry. Like the video and subscribe.
Yeah.
Catch it.
All I am is a man.